I am overwhelmed. Ang daming nangyayari. I need to work, but I also need to study. Piling up na yung mga bills and hindi ako ready. I don't have my life figured out and sometimes, yung totoo, hindi ko na carry. May mga kapatid naman ako, pero may pamilya na sila. Ayokong maging pabigat, pero mahirap mang aminin at sabihin. I'm not okay. I'm Leo, and I'm overwhelmed. My love, aminin natin na everyday, everybody, pagkakabody ko naman, everybody is going through something. Trying to win yung battles nila within. Wars that we know nothing about. And sometimes it is overwhelming. Life can be overwhelming. Lalo na kapag nasa adult stage ka na and you have to have your life figured out. Kasi even if sabihin ng mga tao na no, hindi mo naman kailangan lahat planado sa buhay mo, at some point, that is not true eh. When you reach the age of early 30s or late 30s, tatanungin ka na ng lahat ng plano mo in life eh. And mapapatanong ka na din sa sarili mo, where am I going? Saan ba ako papunta? Itong kursong tinatahak ko, where is it leading me? And when bills are piling up and you have a stagnant job, stagnant career, and hindi mo alam kung may patutunguhan ba yung current relationship mo, magkakaroon ka na ba ng pamilya, and you still have no investment on this age, parang nakaka-overwhelm yung life, parang nakakapraning. So my love, whenever you feel like the walls are closing in, kapag nararamdaman mo na parang unti-unti lumiliit yung ginagalawan mo kasi it's the same thing every single day, take a deep breath. Kung hindi mo pa kaya i-figure out today, let's try again tomorrow. Sometimes, looking ahead too far can rattle you. It can make you feel like you're running out of time. Pero if you'll focus all your energy just getting through the day, you'll feel like nakokontrol mo yung sarili mo. Kasi it's just the day. Kumbaga, an hour from now, I know kung nasan ako. An hour from that, alam ko kung anong ginagawa ko. 3 hours from now, I know kung ano na dapat yung kasunod. Hanggang maging gabi, di ko na raramdaman na I'm slowly getting by day. And sometimes that's all you need. The things you do for now, yun na lang muna yung isipin mo kung hindi mo pa kayang mag-look far ahead of you. Kung hindi mo pa kayang i-plan yung 5 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now, if hindi mo pa na-figure out which course you wanna take and what exactly your goal is, just plan for a day. Let's take it one day at a time. Huwag kang mag-alala, my love, if you are feeling like ang tanda mo na and yet you haven't figured things out in your life, huwag kang mag-alala. You are not alone. I am with you on that. I think I am not young. I'm not getting any younger. Pero I do feel like I'm not yet that old. So if my life right now feels stagnant, I don't look at it as stagnant. Hindi ko siya tinitignan na parang wala siyang patutunguhan, di siya gumagalaw. I'm looking at it as stable. Diba? That's another angle of looking at it, pero it's the same thing. Kung hindi ka gumagalaw sa spot kung nasan ka, things are not great, but it's not bad either. Maybe hindi ka stagnant. Maybe you can look at it on a positive outlook in life and look at it as stable. Stable ako ngayon. I may not know kung saan ako pupunta a year from now or even 2 months from now. But I am sure kung saan ako pupunta hours from this moment. Just to get me through the day. And if I'm lucky, I can plan my day tomorrow. So ganun na lang muna ako. Ganun muna yung gagawin ko. I'll focus on the good things that I have right now. The things that are going well, the things that I can handle, the things I can control. I'll stop worrying about the things that I can't. I'll stop worrying about the things na hindi pa dumadating. I'll stop worrying about the things na hindi naman ako binibigyan ng time limit with. My love, hindi tayo lahat merong luxury in life para iplano yung buong buhay natin without care, without due diligence. Kasi maraming mga unexpected turns yung buhay natin, lalong-lalo na kung alam naman nating may pinag-gaagastosan tayo, pinaglalaanan tayo, financially speaking and practically speaking, we are not at liberty to spend it all to the things that maybe can work. We can only spend it to the things that needed that, mga necessities. So don't be harsh on yourself. If nagiging able ka to survive a year nang wala kang setback, nang hindi ka nagkakautang, you are in perfectly good health, you are in a stable job, things are looking up to you sa kung ano man yung vine-venture out mo, like in your case, Leo, you are studying and you are doing great at it, then just be thankful. It's okay to feel overwhelmed by things. It's okay kung nararamdaman mo na, shucks, parang ang daming nangyayari sa paligid ko. Kasi yan yung indication that your life is in progress. That your life is progressing. That your life is moving. Matakot ka kung walang gumagalaw. Matakot ka kung walang nagaganap. But meron eh. So stop worrying about tomorrow and just enjoy today. Yes, at times, mararamdaman natin na we feel short, lalo na pag yung bills are piling up and we still doesn't have the resources yet to pay for it. Pero things will eventually fall into place. If you are a Catholic, then sasabihin ko to sa'yo. If you are working on it, if you are doing your job, your part in life, and that is not giving up, that is giving your best, that is magbanat ng buto, then love, God will provide for you. If you are non-Catholic, my love, life has a way of surprising you. So don't you give up yet. Don't give in sa mga voices in your head telling you that you are lost, that you cannot do it, na time is running out for you, because it's not true. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, things may not be great right now, pero it's not bad either. Tignan nyo lang yung sarili nyo muna as stable. Wala pa ako dun sa gusto kong puntahan at hindi ko alam kung saan yon. But right now, I'm thankful that I'm able to move. Na alam ko sa sarili ko, I have a chance to progress. Claro? Claro.